Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham and these are your morning market headlines for Friday the 14th of September, with the FTSE racing higher, up around 80 points at 5,900. Now, after yesterday's Fed meeting, it appears that Bernanke has finally delivered the goods that global markets were waiting for. The Fed said it would support the US economy via the purchase of $40 billion per month in mortgage-backed securities. And it doesn't sound like much given the size of the US economy, but actually the key element here is that there is no defined limit to these purchases. They are open-ended, and the Fed added that they would continue until the US labour market improves. Now, that kind of open-ended commitment is really the sort of thing that markets were waiting to hear, that the Fed is finally deploying its firepower in a substantial style. That accounts for the reaction in global markets. If you combine those $40 billion a month with the previous Operation Twist, it means the Fed is buying up to $85 billion worth per month in securities. Quite a significant commitment even for the world's largest and most powerful central bank. Markets understandably soared after the news, with Dow gaining over 200 points and the S&P riding 23 points, both hitting levels not seen since the end of 2007. Moving away from the Fed, we will have a Eurogroup meeting of finance ministers in Cyprus today, at which there is speculation that Spain might finally ask for a bailout. Now, France and Italy are pushing Madrid to ask for a rescue because it would help with their borrowing costs and take the pressure off them. But Germany, as ever, remains somewhat nervous about adding yet another country to its list of financial charges. There's also plenty of US data out this afternoon: retail sales, consumer price index, industrial production, manufacturing production, and the first September reading for the Michigan Consumer Confidence Index. So we will see if the current improved state of the US economy is reflected in these consumers' outlook. And I expect the S&P 500 to start around 4 points higher at 1461.